Coffee Time with Christina Melody Group, Session 22. Hello everyone, Christina say hi to you from Boston, Massachusetts. Today is January 16th, 2026. Welcome to Coffee Time with Christina Melody Group. Coffee Time with Christina Melody Group, Session 21 has officially closed. If you miss it, don't worry. Session 22 is coming, and this is next chapter is built for your growth, your clarity, and your long-term legacy. On January 30th, 2026 at 3:30 p.m. Eastern, we meet online on Zoom for a powerful session focused on mastering multifamily syndication and stepping deeper into our global academic ecosystem. This is where you learn how real sponsors think, how capital partners align, and how CEO buyers move with speed and precision. And for Coffee Time with Christina Melody Group Session 22, we are sourcing a major opportunity, a 1,000 unit plus $300 million plus A-class off-market direct-to-seller portfolio. This is a CEO-only window aligned with our national expansion and our commitment to bring real sellers and real buyers together with privacy, speed, and sponsor brand integrity. Welcome 1,000 unit plus multifamily owners connect with us directly. There's absolutely no fee from the seller. We are a clean seller direct ecosystem built for clarity, trust, and long-term partnership. Coffee Time with Christina Melody Group Session 22 is where we break down the full capital stack: GP/KP preferred equity, LP equity groups, and how each role supports a clean sponsor brand deal. You will learn how to reroll, how to scale, and how to step confidently into 100 unit plus multifamily, even if you are just beginning your academic journey. If you haven't grabbed your Coffee Time passport, now is the time. It's your access to our rhythm, our community, and long-term journey we are building together. Every session is a stamp. Every breakthrough is a milestone. Every match is a legacy moment. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Christina Melody Group, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video, a new session, or a new opportunity. Stay connected as we move through every chapter, every upgrade, and every celebration. Welcome to a community of excellence, from off-market deal sourcing to own your own multifamily assets, to manage your own portfolio with confidence. Welcome to a movement built for leaders who want to grow, scale, and build a legacy for the long road ahead. We are here to grow together, one session, one breakthrough, one legacy step at a time. Thank you and welcome.